All right. There is a reason why we are using this extension, Havana Cal. And then I want to show you how you can remove the white atoms, mostly when you use the Eco Gel, how you can always remove it. And then the simple makeup that I can always do when it comes to these casual hairstyle, and even it can be bridal. Yes. And after the kinky, what is going to help us on this hairstyle that we are going to be doing? So please, let's do this.
Morris, the crochet master.
All right. Yes. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and I would like to welcome everyone who is watching me wherever you are. Yes, I work at Hair by Clippers, and that is Hair by Clippers, Clippers with Z. Yes, we are in Tinda Ministers Village, and those ones who would want to access our services, we have a branch also in Barore City, in Kamkozi, behind BAM petrol station. You can also get us. So now today we are going to see something that is very, very interesting, but first and foremost we need to first look for the center, and the center where it's supposed to be. That's how you first do the center. And then another thing that I was trying to tell you, that how do we remove these atoms whenever the white atoms, whenever we are using the gel. Sometimes we put a lot of gel on the hair, and then as it dries, you find like you didn't comb it very well, like to straighten it very well, and now as you're combing, you find like it leaves those white atoms. So what you should always do, are you seeing here how I'm using my comb? Yes, so after rubbing with that comb, you can see how it is disappearing like that. So another thing is, don't hold the whole hair together, like don't hold it at once. Just try to hold your part as part, like you try to separate it, not like the whole hair and you hold it puff. That means you might use a lot of gel. But now when I first hold some, that means I'm not going to add a lot of gel on the hair. So this is how it is. And then after for this one, she didn't have that natural hair. Her hair is straight. That's why I'm trying to use the got to be glue, because it also makes it to hold this farm very, very well. So I didn't want to apply it in the whole hair. That's why I first used the gel, the Eco Gel. Yes, and then now I'm applying here the got to be a glue, because it's also very, very perfect. So please, you try to make sure that your comb, as like you're combing like this, after you turn it to remove the white atoms. Yeah. Oh, so since when we are done with all that, and you make sure that the puff is already it is firm very, very well. Yes, just use your comb you comb the way it is, then you turn it, but you try to squeeze the gel to remove it, because for it is already firm. Then here, as like the way we always do the baby hair, here I can use this a small brush, and I comb them very, very well. But for her, she didn't want to get the baby hair. She didn't want the baby hair, so we tried to make it this puff. And now I try to make sure that it is firm enough like this, using all my thread, and now you can see how it is. So when we're done with all that, of course we have to apply this, yes, to put her in the dryer, so that it is all firm. So this is how it looks after. And then I've applied the glue, got to be a gel spray. Yes, got to be spray. Yes, and I told you, since it is straight hair, you can always use that, because it is okay. And after all that, I tried to add here thread, because her hair was it is cut, so it doesn't have these tips. So I'm adding this so that it can help me when I'm using the band. So these are the things that we are going to be doing. It is very, very simple, that you can also try to look at them and you do them perfectly. So there's one thing that I'm going to beg you guys. Please, if it's your first time to be on this channel, you're very welcome. But just click on the red button, ring the bell, so that you can always enjoy our videos that we upload every week. I make sure that I upload a video. So here I'm just trying to apply the kinky, and this is the Afro kinky. You can be having the Mali kinky, also apply that. And the reason why I'm applying this kinky is just because it is going to make my extension very firm that I'm going to use. It's going to make them firm as I'm using the pins when I'm using the styling pins, because I didn't want to use the styling pin on the gel. Yes, it wouldn't make that good band, so that's why I had to use this kinky extension. Yes, so this is how it is. So I'm going to beg you to watch it till the end, so that you can enjoy the transformations. Very, very amazing. Yes, tell me where you're watching this video from. Tell me where you're watching it from, and trust me, I'll be there to reply you. My name is Morris, the crochet master, and I work at Hair by Clippers with Z. Yes, and if you want our services, we're in Kampala City, in Tinda Ministers Village, and those ones in Barora City, Kamkozi, behind BAM petrol station. You can find us there. So please go right in my comment section. Tell me where you are. Tell me what you think about this hairstyle. Bye bye. See you in my other next video.
Shoes on the cruise. Country nigga, granny played the blues on the stool. Head wrap silky, chewing on this oxtail. Scheming on the millie, trying to hit the yacht sail. Gold shining lobster near the Everglade music. When we drop, it's like you niggas never made music. Better days never came easy to a quitter. Ain't no pump faking, let them see that I deliver. God body, baby, big 7 in the skin. Probably why you never hear no better shit again. Higher than the spot that we bout to set the bar. Kush pack stankin', smell it before it left the jar. I just left the coast straight to another ocean. Niggas got excuses, me, I'm really having motion. Sippin' on mimosa, chopping real estate game. 40 years later, niggas still the same lane. Just left the hood, niggas never heard of you. 30 long years, not a single word of you. Shop booming, baby, come and get it while it's open. I don't have time, I've been busy having motion. Just left the town, niggas ain't spoke to you. You a L7, probably serve dope to you. Shop still booming, come and get it while it's open. I don't have time, I've been really having motion. Boy, stop playing, this is not your lane. Never seen struggle, you do not know pain. Bitch, stop playing, would you be yourself? Fuck how they see you, how you see yourself. Niggas ain't real, acting real fictitious. Family on the west probably still hit switches. Playing Sally Cell, brought the thumper in the car. I been down in Austin, burning rubber down Lamar. Keep what you earn, put it back in the business. Gold mouth shorty spinning racks at the dentist. Fuck one stream, need a whole 7 ways. Niggas act weaker than a whole 7 days. I've been playing chess, working on the left brain. Buzzing in my city way before the press came. Went and bought a weapon, now he think he less lame. Got the kind of gas that could fuel a jet plane. Just left the hood, niggas never heard of you. 30 long years, not a single word of you. Shop booming, baby, come and get it while it's open. I don't have time, I've been busy having motion. Just left the town, niggas ain't spoke to you. You a L7, probably serve dope to you. Shop still booming, come and get it while it's open. I don't have time, I've been really having motion. infinity. And we out.
When you don't call when you supposed to, 'cause it keeps me on my toes. It kinda makes me want you more. I get a kick from going out when you don't want me to, knowing you're at home all mad. I know I shouldn't feel like that. I do it, you do it, we do it all the time, pushing the buttons until we both lose our mind. Why can't we let ourselves play it safe just for a while? 'Cause baby, I know it, you know it, we know it deep inside. We too addicted to friction to change our mind. We so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. 'Cause it sure ain't love, love, love.